In this short video, we'll talk about multiples. While factors break down a number into its divisors, multiple expand it by multiplying it with whole numbers. A multiple of a number is the result of multiplying that number by an integer. In simple terms, a multiple contains another number a certain number of times exactly. Let's take the number 3 and find its multiples. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. So some of the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Some key points about multiples are: a multiple of a number is its product with an integer. Example, multiples of 3 are 3 times 1, which is 3, 3 times 2, which is 6, 3 times 3, which is 9, and so on. 0 is a multiple of every number. 3 times 0 is 0, so 0 is a multiple of 3. Multiples are infinite in both positive and negative direction. Positive multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, etc., while negative multiples of 3 are minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, etc. The smallest positive multiple of a number is the number itself. For example, the smallest positive multiple of 3 is 3. All the multiples of an even number are even. For example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., and all of them are even. All multiples of an odd number are odd. For example, multiples of 3 and an odd number are 3, 9, 15, all are odd. If A is a multiple of B, then A is divisible by B. For example, 9 is a multiple of 3 because 9 is divisible by 3, or 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, which is an integer. Multiples include negative values. The negative multiples of 3 are minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, etc. The least common multiple is the smallest shared multiple of two numbers. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. and multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Thus, least common multiple of 3 and 4 are 12, which is the smallest shared multiple between 3 and 4. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. For example, 3 is a multiple of 1. 3 times 1 is 3. To find the multiples of a number, we need to start multiplying that number by 1, then 2, then 3, so on. This will generate an infinite list of multiples. For example, multiples of 3 are 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12, and so on. For negative multiples, we need to multiply the number by negative integers, such as 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, and 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Thus, the number of multiples of 3 forms an infinite list in both negative and positive form. Now, let's see some real life example of multiples. Scheduling. If a bus arrives every 15 minutes, then the time it arrives are the multiples of 15. Setting arrivals on alarms involves knowing the multiples of the time intervals. Time and travel. Road mile markers show the distance in multiples of 10. If a metro train departs every 12 minutes and another train on a different line departs every 18 minutes, the times when both the trains depart simultaneously are the multiples of the least common multiple of 12 and 18, which is 36 minutes.